Good morning everyone, welcome back with teacher Saruon again. Now it's time to study math. Today is Friday of 28 August 2020. How have you been everyone? Yes, I hope you are good and for me it's fine, thank you. Now before we start the new lesson, teacher want to review about month of the year. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. Start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay. The next revision that I want to show you about spelling word with comparative together. Okay, so let's start everyone. Here, can you try to read that word S-M-A-L-L? Say small. Good. Small spell S-M-A-L-L. Okay. And the next word with the word here B-I-G. Big. Yeah, good. Big spell B-I-G. Okay. Start with letter T-A-L-L. Tall. Good. Tall spell T-A-L-L. Opposite with the word tall, the sound is short. Good. Short spell S-A-O-R-T. Well done. And then here we say fat. Okay. F-A-T. Fat. Fat. Opposite with the word fat is thin. Okay. Thin spell T-A-I-I-N. Well done everyone. So I hope you remember well with our comparative and our lesson. We're going to learn with spelling number, right? So when teacher show, you can read. So please try to read together. O-N-E. One. Yeah, that's right. One spell O-N-E. Good job. And the next here Z-E-R-O. How do you read? Zero. Okay, zero spell Z-E-R-O. After that, teacher has T-A-R-E-E. Three. Good. Three spell T-A-R-E-E. And one more. Start with letter F. Four. Good. Four spelled F-O-U-U-R. You know, today, after number 4, we will learn the next number. Can you tell me what number is it, everyone? Yeah, 5. Very good. 5. 5. 5. How do you spell the word 5? Can you guess? Start with letter? Yeah, letter F. After letter F, letter I. Good. And then letter V. And the last letter E. So 5 here. F-I-V-E. 5 spell F-I-V-E. Okay, so our lesson today, we learn 5. 5 spell F-I-V-E. Okay, good job. So our worksheet that teacher wanted to do here with number 5, color number 5, trace number 5, and here find and color number 5. Okay, circle 5 triangle. Circle 5 triangle. Okay, and here color the 10, okay, with 5 columns. You can color with 5 columns. Thank you kids for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye everyone.